Hi guys, may matagayang guys. May nahimot ito guys. Dalawa lang. Okay lang da guys. Nahimo ito garing na mix ko to niya dati. Amula da na. Ang gamitan niyo malang guys ang ano. Ano tabag na? Ang crushed grahams kag ano. Condense. Isa pala ganun ko guys. See?
You know what possibly means?
Like probably?
No, probably means there's a good chance that we're going. Possibly means
guys, isulod ko gali di ang nips kag M&M's. Hindi na pangita pa abi M&M's. Tuya pa sa sulod. Ang bakal pa.
You're so smart.
Bakal pa kami sa M&M's guys.
Yeah.
Guys, subscribe guys, kag like, please.
Mr. Ribbon. Yes. How are you, sir? Chris Gardner.
Kung ako mag-YouTuber ka, kanawaan ta ka na kaan sa service, please. No, subscribe.
Oh, actually, we were in the neighborhood visiting a very close friend of ours, and I just wanted to take this opportunity to say thank you.
Guys.
Probably waited for a little bit. I want you to know that I do
Ma?
take that. Come on.
Dindon!
Look, this is the Osteo National Bone Density Scan. A company I bought into prior to my work.
May M&M's na na.
You guys going to the game? Yeah.
Okay.
We're going to. I'm taking my son too.
Hindi na lang gali yung M&M's.
Listen, look, get out of your way. Again, thank you very much, and I'm sorry about the other day, and I hope that we can reschedule.
Next month na guys yung ano,
Thank you very much, sir.
yung M&M's.
Say bye-bye, Chris.
Bye.
Bye, Christopher. Hey, you guys want to come with us?
What, to Candlestick?
We're going now. Come with us. Where are your seats?
Oh, we have,
Magulay pala guys yung magbutang ng
Come on.
ano sa tulad. Guys, montat na yung video ko. Montat na ko. Bye guys. Bye-bye. Thank you for subscribing pala. Like naman comment down below kung ano naman yung ano ko. Ingredients ko yung bubutang sa sulod niya. Okay? Bye-bye. Thank you.